In this short demo, we're going to run through all the tools in the Houzz Pro Takeoff and show you how to complete a material takeoff and submit a professional estimate. At the top of the canvas, if you've uploaded multiple PDFs, you'll be able to scroll through them here on the side view. You'll be able to select pages from within the PDF. By clicking the three buttons on the side, you'll get the option to rotate, rename, clone, and delete pages. At the bottom of the Settings tab, you'll be able to choose your line width to make it more apparent on the canvas or ultimately on the marked up PDFs. To zoom in and zoom out, use the buttons at the bottom of the canvas. Houzz Pro will automatically read the page size which you're measuring on. What you need to do is set the correct scale here. By setting this scale, you'll calibrate the plans and you'll be able to measure appropriately. If you're looking for a bit more room on the canvas when you're measuring, you can collapse the measurements drawer and the page view finder on the top left and top right, respectively. Now that the settings are out of the way, we can begin measuring. The best practice is to familiarize yourself with the project on which you're being asked to quote. You can set up the groups ahead of time. If this group is something you measure all the time, you can save it to your favorites. This will add it to your account, and it will be available for you anytime you upload a project to Houzz. The Rectangle tool will allow you to get the area of any shape. Simply click, drag, and drop. The Polygon will also allow you to get the area. Simply click to start, click to drop a marker, and change direction. And once you're finished, double-click and it will complete the measurement, giving you the area of a non-symmetrical shape. The Length tool works the same as the Polygon. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and double-click to finish. And as you can see, if you have a group selected, the shapes will continuously add into that folder and give you the sum total of that group. The Count function allows you to count anything you want: GPOs, doors, vanity items, whatever you need. Simply click a point on the plan you wish to drop the marker, and it will represent on the canvas as well as showing up in the measurements drawer. Next, we're going to run through the Deductions tool. This will take the area out of any existing area. It works like the Rectangle tool. Simply click, drag and drop, and you'll see that the area comes out. This can be handy for taking out windows and doors from your cladding. Another great feature on the Houzz Pro Takeoff tool is adding dimensions to existing measurements. By checking the box in the measurement drawer, you can add in a height, width, depth, or pitch. In this example, we're going to add 2.7 meters to the walls to get your total square meterage. You can also add in a depth to concrete. Again, 0.15 will be 150 mil, and that will give you your volume of concrete that you need to order for the job. To avoid doubling up on work, you can duplicate any measurement you've made on the canvas. In this example, we're duplicating carpet, which will then be the square meterage of your ceiling. You can also get the perimeter of any area. Check the box and select Perimeter at the bottom of the measurements drawer. Again, you get the perimeter of your carpet. Now you've got your skirting measurements. At the top of the canvas, above the toolbar, you can manage your favorites. Here you can rename them, give them different colors, and give them a unit price. By doing this, you'll be able to auto-generate estimates when you've finished your takeoffs. When you're happy, you've completed your material takeoff, you can hit Review and Estimate. Here you'll have all of your measurements you've made on the Houzz Pro canvas. You can download the markups or begin a new estimate.